AI service offering.
Here is my AI service offering to you. I am offering to install and train your organization on how to use AI tools so that you guys can save time and be more productive. In addition to creating custom training plans and using these tools, we'll create dashboards so you can monitor and measure what your teams are actually doing, how they're using the tools, how much they cost. Then we can have a conversation about what the results actually are. So here are the tools that I can help you with. If you use Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft Scout, Microsoft Frontier, I can help you build agents to save you time, at least 20 minutes a day, 2 times a day per every single person in your organization. I can help you build agents to do Excel analysis, SharePoint file organization, take files from SharePoint, build automated dashboards that refresh themselves. I can help you build PowerPoint presentations based on your company's branding template so it doesn't look like a generic presentation. I can help you automate workflows, create customer service agents. If you use Claude Code, I can help your developers write code, read code, test code, push code, update the Jira tickets, use Atlassian Rovo, communicate the status of what's happening. So now your developers are managing the process instead of writing code by hand. If you're more of a ChatGPT person, I can show you how to use the new features and functions in ChatGPT, like ChatGPT Work, ChatGPT Live Transcription. I can install real-time voice transcription services as part of your AI so that you can just talk to the AI. You don't even need to prompt it. I can help you install compression services so you're saving at least 30% more tokens. You're being more efficient what you're using. If you're more of a Grok person and you want to use your own virtual machine and have a host or a swarm of agents breaking down processes and running for you, we can use Grok, or we can create something inside of an OpenClaw, inside of a Hermes, or even local models that we run locally on Olama to create custom agents just for you and have them act in a swarm to do whatever you want. Speaking of OpenClaw, Hermes, and Olama, if you want to connect to multiple models, we can use something like an Open Router or an Omni Router to do the most cost effective way to have models connect for the best reasoning or for the best coding. We can set it to be for free for testing. Or if you want to download a large language model and run it locally in a unrestricted, what they sometimes refer to as a jailbroken way, I can help you do all of that for you. And the most important thing is that we will set up dashboards and processes in place so that these things automatically update themselves, they automatically scan themselves. So if you're worried about things like cybersecurity, having it automatically update itself and check itself from a cybersecurity perspective will give you peace of mind. If you want a hybrid model where you say, I'm using some primary providers in a cloud based environment, but I also want this local backup system and I want a way to monitor all of it to see what it's doing, that is something that I can do for you. So that is the product and service offering. If you're interested in any of those things, or if you want to talk about how you're using AI right now, a lot of people I'm talking to are saying that they're using it, they're failing their experimentation, they're burning millions and millions in tokens, and they're not really producing anything. If you want to set up some hard, concrete objectives and measurable results, I would love to work with you. Please feel free to reach out. Give me a call sometime. Let's talk again soon. And remember to hustle harder. Bye bye.